Yeah, I don't know how old this stuff is, but it's definitely the right kind of stuff for the steam freeze. Nasty. One of the big advantages with the mobile steam cleaning unit is you don't have to go to the wash bay. You can bring your steam power, the freak's favorite weapon of choice, to your tractor. With the simple turn of a key, you're in business. Superpower. The thing we always like about steam is it's gonna take everything off and leave no residue. I've been itching to pull the trigger all morning. Get a load of this. We're not cutting wires. We're not hitting it with high pressure. We're melting it off with steam. We're cleaning it, not wearing it. This is the freak's idea of a good time. You are witnessing steam mode. This is 310 degree steam at 250 psi being blasted out of a finely tuned steam nozzle. This is why the freak loves steam. I'm not worried about cutting into these hydraulic hoses. I'm not even looking at them. Steam cleans without pressure. It's safe to use, and you don't have to worry about damaging your equipment. Plus, it just works better. Why bring the tractor to the wash bay when you can bring the wash bay to the tractor? Sometimes the ultimate satisfaction for the freak is to give it a taste. This thing is clean. In all seriousness, this Sioux combination pressure and steam machine is top notch. And if you'd like to learn more about that, our contact information is below. Thanks for watching. It got hot quick and stayed hot for the entire job, making this 15 minutes worth of fun go like a breeze. Honestly, the freak wishes it was dirty so I could clean it a little more. The freak wishes it was a little dirtier because now I'm done and I want more to clean. Freak wishes it was dirty again so we could stop it. Bringing the Sioux machine to the spot that needs to be cleaned sometimes is far easier than bringing the machine to the wherever you gotta bring it.